Hey guys, what's up? It is me, Jim the Sim, and I am back with another video today. And I'm actually back with a video that I have not done in quite a while, and that would be a speed build, if you could not already tell by the title of this video. But I am doing a speed build today, and I apologize if you cannot hear me too well. I'm using a different microphone than usual, so I'll try to make this as quick and painless as possible for you guys. But basically, I am here today with a speed build kind of challenge video, we called it. I actually did a collab with SimmyLexis. You probably all know her because she is so awesome. But we actually did a collab. We were going to do a different kind of collab video, but it didn't work out for various reasons. So I give all the credit to her for this. But she had an idea to do a speed build challenge, and it was a great idea. I cannot take credit for it, as I just said. It was all her. She actually said that we should do a speed build challenge, which would be I send her a floor plan and a house plan, and then she builds that, and then she sends me one, and I build the one that she sent me. If that makes any sense, I hope it does. But basically, she would give me a house, and I had to build that house that she sent me. So that is what we did. I sent her a house. She said it was too hard and too complicated for her to build, so she chose another house for herself for that, but I stuck to the one that she gave me, so I will go ahead and link that website and house that she sent me down below, just so you guys can kind of compare the houses and the finished product with the actual product. But yeah, it was actually a great time. I don't know. It was a long build. This is probably one of my longest builds ever. So I apologize for the long video, but I hope that you guys will stick with it and go through it because it is worthwhile. I would say this is probably one of my favorite speed builds ever just because it's so different from what I usually do. This, I tried to go all out on this house, basically, and I don't know, I paid attention to so much on this house. I wanted to get everything perfect, so it's definitely a different house build than what I usually do. So you guys will probably notice that it doesn't probably look like a lot of the builds that I do. Maybe it does, I don't know. But to me, it definitely didn't. And as you can probably see, for a little while here, this freaking house, I swear the roofing situation was going to give me PTSD. It was way too complicated and way too hard. I literally spent probably half my time just building the roof. I did not get it because it was kind of on most of the house was on a diagonal slant, so I had to accommodate that. And obviously the roofs reflect that. So the roofs took forever to build. It was ridiculous. But I finally figured it out after a while. It does not look anything like what you're seeing right now. I actually changed it a couple more times after that. But I did get the roofs to something that I actually decently liked. So that is basically all I have to say, I think. Oh, yeah. I will be adding a bunch of photos at the end of this video because that is something that I used to do. And I've not done it in past speed builds just because I forgot. Nothing other than that. But I'm going to go ahead and put a room, basically a picture per room down. Or no, not down. After the speed build portion of this video, just so you guys can get a good sense for what the house actually looks like on the inside in a still shot, of course, because a speed build is kind of hard to track sometimes, I will admit. When the camera's going everywhere at 80 miles an hour, it's kind of hard to see what the house actually looks like. But I apologize for the long video, as I said before. It is a little insane. I think it's 20-something minutes. That's kind of crazy, but also, guys, definitely go over to SimmyLexis' channel. She just hit 1,000 pretty recently. She's been growing like a maniac. She is a beast on the YouTube. So definitely go over to her channel. If you have not already subscribed, do that to her because I'm sure she would appreciate it very much. And I don't know, I had a great time. So I hope that you guys like this video as much as I do. I really did have a good time building this house. It did take me a while, but the pain was worth the pleasure at the end. Not to sound weird or creepy or weird or anything like that. But it was definitely a great house build, and it was definitely worth it in the end for me. So I will leave all those pictures after this. I hope that you guys like this. Let me know what you think about the house down below, because I would love to hear your feedback on it. And I definitely do think that it is different from all the house builds that I've ever done in the past. I literally try to pay attention so much to minor details in this house. Maybe that's why it took me so long. I have no idea. But I'm so proud of this house, and I hope that you guys like it as much as I do. It would mean the world to me if you guys did, because I literally like it a lot. So I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you guys will let me know what you think about this house down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.